Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth, there's no way to measure what you own. Crucified, lay behind the stone, you live to die, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all.